so happy to see you up and about and speaking to the work that you do here at Interfaith Medical Center, to our very distinguished clergy and board members of Interfaith Medical Center, to the dynamic leadership led by Lorraine Brown in the One Brooklyn Health System, to my colleagues in government who have made it rain. Let's just make it clear, they've made it rain, because this has been a labor of love for so many of us. To our partners in labor and to the beloved community, good afternoon. It's certainly my honor and my privilege to be here as part of the ribbon cutting ceremony for this outstanding project, this outstanding unit. It's beyond a project. This is a place where our people will heal. Yeah. This is a place where our people will receive the services, the insight into their troubles and a way through. You know, I think about, unfortunately, the very tragic shooting on the subway system, and there is no doubt in my mind that if there were an opportunity for that guy, that shooter, to receive some health care benefit, that perhaps, just perhaps, things would not have come to what we experienced and the trauma we all felt from the actions that he took. So let me just say that we are focused on lifting up our safety net hospitals. That's right. Throughout this pandemic, and we're not through it yet, I'm going to tell you, I believe that it's not over until Dr. Fauci gets on the television and gives the all clear. So for those of you who continue to think that the pandemic is over, look for Fauci. That's all I've got to say on that. You know, I think about Congressman Jeffries a lot because his leadership and our partnership is so ingrained in the communities that raised us. And when Lorraine talked about putting our photos up, I said, you know, when they put up Hakeem Jeffries' photo, yeah, we'll say Congressman, but I'm working to make sure that it says Speaker of the House. And we work very closely together in the federal process, which just opened up for us very recently, to give direct support to the organizations and institutions in our communities. And the One Brooklyn Health System got on it immediately. They put in several outstanding proposals, and our colleagues, in their wisdom, made sure that it was a winning proposal. There were no guarantees. There were no guarantees on the funding that would come through their efforts, but we know that the passion comes through in the work that they put into their proposal. So today, I am just so honored and I am so pleased to be able to bring forth a federal grant of $425,000. It's just a down payment. For some folks, it can be considered chump change, but it opens the door. We are grateful for us to do more. I want to call my colleague, Congressman Jeffries, to join me, because I have to tell you, we colluded. We colluded, and we always collude when it comes to our communities. And we want to just present this check, you know, the facsimile, to Lorraine Brown and her team and this institution for $425,000, which will be dedicated to this new behavioral health wing. Let's go lower so that they get to Okay.
Y'all want to go mask? Do y'all want to go mask?
Look here.
Wait, let me, so it's symmetrical. Let me get my mask. Hold that a moment.